Hey everyone, ready for a laugh riot? Today we've got a side-splitting compilation of Donald Trump's funniest moments during his presidency. Whether you're a fan or not, these clips are guaranteed to crack you up. Let's dive in, so grab your popcorn because we're about to relive some of the most hilarious, awkward and downright bizarre moments. This is Trump's funniest presidential bloopers. Get ready to laugh till you drop. 2017, a simpler time. A time when the world seemed a bit more predictable and social media was just a place for sharing cat videos and vacation photos. And then, like a misspelled bat out of hell, Covfefe entered our lives, shaking up the internet in a way no one could have anticipated. Donald Trump, leader of the free world, graced us with this cryptic message. Despite the constant negative press Covfefe, it was a tweet that left everyone scratching their heads. That's it. That's the whole tweet. Just one word, and the world was left to decipher its meaning. The internet went absolutely bonkers. Social media platforms were flooded with reactions, theories, and jokes. Memes were born, dictionaries were consulted in vain, and the Merriam-Webster Twitter account tweeted, "We don't know what it means either." It was a linguistic mystery for the ages. Even the late-night hosts were baffled. They dedicated entire segments to the tweet, turning it into comedic gold. The White House remained tight-lipped, refusing to comment on the typo heard around the world. Speculation ran wild. Trump eventually deleted the tweet and replaced it with a playful, "Who can figure out the true meaning of Covfefe? Enjoy." It was a moment that highlighted the unpredictable nature of social media and the power of a single tweet. Now, we all know that the bald eagle is a majestic creature, a symbol of freedom. But what happens when you put a bald eagle in a room with Donald Trump? That's when things get interesting. During a photo shoot for Time magazine, Trump was supposed to pose with a bald eagle named Uncle Sam. Instead of politely perching, Uncle Sam decided to assert his dominance by repeatedly trying to claw Trump's face off. The art of dance. Throughout his presidency, Trump graced us with a variety of unique dance moves. From his signature shoulder shimmy to his offbeat clapping, Trump's dance moves were less Fred Astaire and more your dad trying to dance at a wedding. But here's the thing, as much as we might chuckle at his unconventional style, you gotta hand it to the man he committed. He danced like nobody was watching, even though millions were watching live on national television. Now, most of us would probably agree that hand size is not the most pressing issue facing our nation. There are far more significant matters to discuss. But in the 2016 Republican primary, hand size became inexplicably a thing. It was a bizarre moment in political history. It all started when Senator Marco Rubio made a jab at Trump's manly endowments, sparking a media frenzy. "Have you seen his hands?" Rubio asked the crowd, implying something more. Trump, never one to let an insult go unanswered, held up his hands at the next debate, making sure everyone could see. "Look at those hands," he declared. "Are they small hands?" He was visibly irritated. "I guarantee you there's no problem." This moment became an iconic, albeit strange, part of the campaign. In the wake of Hurricane Maria's devastation of Puerto Rico, the island was left in ruins, with countless homes destroyed and lives upended. The people were in desperate need of aid and support. The world watched as Donald Trump arrived on the island to offer support. But what was supposed to be a solemn occasion quickly devolved into a Donald Trump photo op. As Trump made his way through a crowd of hurricane survivors, many hoped for words of comfort and tangible aid. Instead, he began tossing rolls of paper towels into the crowd as if he were handing out t-shirts at a basketball game. The image of Trump casually tossing paper towels into a crowd of people who had just lost everything was met with immediate and widespread criticism. This gesture, seen by many as insensitive and out of touch, became a symbol of the administration's response to the disaster. They say that the presidency ages a man, and judging by Donald Trump's struggles with a simple umbrella, they're not wrong. It was a rainy day in Washington, D.C., and Trump, fresh off Air Force One, was attempting to make his way down the stairs when disaster struck. The culprit, a seemingly innocent black umbrella. As the wind whipped around him, Trump grappled with the umbrella, his face a mixture of confusion and determination. And there you have it, folks. Trump's funniest moments during his presidency. Whether you laughed or cringed, these moments are unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hilarious content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.